Today I'm going to show you how to do double crochet. Double crochet is not a basic stitch and it's very common. You'll find it in lots of different patterns and lots of different crochet projects. And this is what it looks like. We're going to chain 10. So this is our slip knot. That's 10 chains, and for double crochet we are going to insert our hook into the third chain from the hook, yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over and go into the next stitch and do the same thing here. Yarn over into the next stitch and the same thing as before, pull through the first 2 loops and then pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. And continue this way until the end of this chain. So this was our last double crochet, and now just chain 2 and turn your work. We're going to work on the next row. So this is the second row, and we're going to insert our hook into the next gap and do double crochets on this row. Yarn over and into the next gap, and just make sure that you insert your hook under both strings of yarn. And make sure that you don't overlook the very last stitch. You should have 9 double crochets in each row. And so we continue and do exactly the same thing as we did before. We chain 2, and whenever we chain 2 in the beginning of the row, it serves as the first double crochet. And then you'll do 8 double crochets after you chained 2, so that makes 9 stitches altogether, 9 double crochets in each row. And the last stitch here. And this is all for double crochet. If you like this video, let me know by clicking on that like button. If you would like to learn more and what you can make using this stitch, subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll show you what you can make using double crochets.